Hello my Simply Cuban friends. Right now we're going to do the Cuban version of Piña Colada. We already saw Orsolya doing the Piña Colada the Australian way, and now we're going to do it the Cuban way. We're going to use fresh pineapple. We'll cut it into small pieces. We're going to put it on the blender. We're going to use sugar, coconut milk, ice, and of course rum. This time we're going to use Bacardi, so we're going to practice responsible service of alcohol just a little bit. So remember, this is the Cuban way. Why not? And the final touch, put some powdered milk to make it creamy. That's the way it is made in Cuba. We're going to mix all the ingredients, put it in a glass. The final touch of this Piña Colada will be cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon. It will give a distinctive flavor when you stir it. And this Piña Colada, it is ready. The Piña Colada Cuban way. Definitely mine is better.